Hello hustlers, welcome to Hustle Data. In this video, we're going to talk about selection sort algorithm and we are going to implement it using Python. Selection sort is a sorting algorithm and is based on comparison operations. So if I want to sort an array of random elements which contains numbers, then selection sort can be used to sort them. And it does that by finding the smallest element in every iteration and then placing that element in the front. So for example, if I have 10 elements and I want to sort them in ascending order, so what selection sort will do is it will go through all the 10 elements, find the smallest one, place it in the front, and then leave that element there, and then go through again on the next 9 elements and then 8. In every iteration it's going to find the smallest element and then place it in the front, and in that way it will sort all the elements. So we are going to see it. First we'll understand it using animations, then we are going to see how we can implement it using Python, and then in the end we are going to discuss about time complexity of selection sort algorithm and why there are better algorithms than selection sort. Here we have an array of numbers 3, 5, 1, 7, 2, 8. We will see how we can implement selection sort on this array. Initially, for iteration 1, the first element in our array is 3. We'll set it as our min value. We will then compare the min value with all the elements present in our array. If we find a smaller element than the min value, we'll update our value and keep comparing till the end. After comparing all the elements, we will swap our first element with the most updated min value. We will keep repeating our iterations until our array is sorted in ascending order. Let's implement selection sort algorithm using Python. Let's declare an array called numList, which we will sort in ascending order using selection sort algorithm. We will define a function called selection sort in which we will pass array as the input. We are writing a for loop in range being length of the array, then declare a variable called smallest index and will initialize it to 0. This for loop will iterate through all indexes from the point on until it reaches the last index in our array. We will use a for loop again to iterate through all indexes in order to find out the element present at index within its own list. If an element is smaller than the previous one, it will swap them with each other so that we can sort our array in ascending order and we can get a sorted list of our array. Let's return a string selection sort implemented and a sorted array with it. Now let's run our code and see if it works. Time complexity is the time taken by the algorithm to execute each set of instructions. It is represented by big O notation. Since selection sort is an in-place comparison sorting algorithm with time complexity O n square, it makes it inefficient on large list of numbers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you find this useful, please share it with your friends, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.